This is number 2 in the Practice 2 worksheet. Are you reading closely and looking? How many coins did he keep? Mr. Sampson had 300 coins in his collection. He gave 59 coins to his granddaughter and 63 coins to his grandson. Let's circle some clues. I know this is about Mr. Sampson. I know he had 300 coins. I know he gave 59 coins to his granddaughter, so that's going away, and 63 coins to his grandson, so I know he gave that to his grandson. I want to know how many coins did he keep. What should I do first? The main idea. How many coins did he keep? What do I know? Well, I know that this is about Mr. Sampson. I know he had 300 coins. Pretend that this is 300. And I know from all of his coins, he gave some away to his granddaughter. And I know he gave some away to his grandson. And we want to know how much he still has left. So how can I draw that in a strip diagram? Well, I know that this problem is about Mr. Sampson. And I know that Mr. Sampson has his coins. I know he has a total of 300 coins. And I know that he gave some away to his granddaughter. He gave 59 coins to his granddaughter. And I know that he gave some away to his grandson. He gave his grandson 63 coins. And we want to know how much he had left. Let's match this up with an action poster. I can see that I'm taking something away, so the action is take away, and the operation for that is subtraction. So I'm going to write my clue over here. Now there are two ways that we can take away from this problem. We can either take away 59 and then take away 63, or we can go ahead and since they're both going away, we can put them together first and then take both of them away together. So that's what I'm going to do because that's what works best for my brain. You can take away and take away if you want. So let me start by putting 63 and 59 together. When I put them together, let's see, 9 plus 3. This would be a great time to use your hundreds chart. 9, 1, 2, 3 is 12. You have to regroup. 6 and 1 more is 7. 7 plus 5. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 12. So we get 122. Now remember that we just added this number and this number. So we just found the total for that section, 122. And now we can take away that 122 from our total of 300. So let's start from 300. When we start from 300, we need to take away 122, and I'm going to show you this problem using my base 10 blocks first, and you can use yours too. So on your table, you can write down 300 really big, take away 122. I'm taking away from my big number of 300, so I only need to build that. Another way to remember is how many lines did you draw to make your minus sign? 1. So you only need one picture. So let me start. 1, 2, 300, and now I need to take away this amount. Well, if I start at my ones, if I have nothing, can I take away 2? No, so I need to borrow next door. But there's nothing next door, so I need to borrow from my hundreds. If I borrow 100, 100 can't fit in the tens place, so I need to trade for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens. So here are my 10 tens, and now I need to fix the numbers underneath, because this says I have 3, but do I have 3 anymore? No, I have 2. And this says I have 0, but do I have 0 tens? No, I have 10 tens. So I'm going to write down 10. Now I go back to my ones. I still have nothing, and I can't take away anything yet. So now can I borrow from my tens? Yes, I can borrow 1 10. But a 10 can't fit here, so I need to trade for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. So let me grab my 10 ones. And now I put them here. And now I need to fix the numbers underneath. I had 10, but do I have 10 anymore? No. I took one away, so now I have 9. Over here it says I have 0, but do I have 0? No. I have 10 ones. So now I can take away 2. If I take away 2, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 left. I have 9 tens, and it says I need to take away 2. So I'm going to take away 2. Let's see how much I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here it says I have 200s and I need to take away 1. So I have 100 left. So your difference is 178. If you would like to, you can use a shortcut strategy where you just, if you have zeros at the end, you just put brackets around all of the numbers except for the ones place. You take one away. 1 before 30 is 29, and you turn the 0 into a 10. And now you can take away 2, and 10 take away 2 is 8. And you can do 9 take away 2, 9 take away 2 is 7. And you can do 2 take away 1, and that's 1. And we get the same difference, 178. To justify, I can write down that I took away 122 from 300, because I started from 300. Here's 178.